We literally met at the border, like in the middle of nowhere, desert. We received the kit from him like 4 days before the competition. Heartbreaking fact is that the Sudan that we used to know before the war is like, it's gone.
It's become increasingly clear that the ceasefire in Sudan is not holding.
Sudan enters its 6th week. It is forcing hundreds of thousands of people to flee their homes.
2 months ago, settlements like this in South Sudan were not here.
All the people are displaced in Sudan, unable to leave, or they are living abroad. We have team members in Sudan, Saudi, Qatar, Uganda, Turkey. So we meet over Zoom. We started taking courses in 3D designing and modeling. After that, we sort of came up with the basic design for the robot. We received the kit. We just packed everything. Sadly, our other team members they're not able to get the visa. So my brother and I are the only ones who are able to make it here to Greece. Our robot is not fully assembled yet. We're trying just to rush because we're trying to do the work of 3 months in just 3 days. So it's crazy, yeah.
We didn't play any practice match because we are focusing in fixing one thing. It was our elevator.
We learned some problems and we're trying to connect with our teammates to get some help.
We can do it now? The robot couldn't move. There was no power, that's why it couldn't move.
So I went to our pit and I start everything from zero.
Is it easier to build or to take apart?
We mean emotionally or physically?
Everything.
Emotionally, it's so hard. I'm so sad because I'm saying sorry, Azza. You helped me too much. I can't take you like that.
Take it apart.
Yeah, maybe I will cry now. Who knows?
I was thinking I'm going to be alone, but that's not what happened.
Can you show me the software?
Because the accuracy of this cooler is very low. For our team, it is open loop control.
So even if there's a football on the other side, you get the footballs on our side.
There has been huge support from everybody, especially Team Palestine.
Right now.
My students have a lot of plans to help other teams because we're together, we're brothers. It's not about winning the games or losing the games. You need to make friendships, you need to learn from other people.
It's not just a race to have a nice robot, it's about sharing knowledge and sharing experiences.
I think what we build is more than just robots. I think it's a symbol of resilience, despite everything that has been happening. And yeah.
Yes, you have wars in Sudan, you have problems in food, in electricity, but we want to say to the world that we are strong enough.
I don't think about it as difficulties or challenges. I think it's part of the journey, and because it's really worth it. It's not just my experience. It's my mother, my father, everybody who helped us. It's just a beautiful experience, and I think every kid deserves and has the right to just try and go for it and really to really broaden your horizon.